Art Deco is a community-driven NFT and DeFi platform powered by their utility token Art Deco. The ecosystem embodies a decentralized NFT minting platform where you can turn your works of art and collectibles into NFTs, and also a decentralized marketplace where you can sell your NFTs, and a social media platform where you can connect with fellow art lovers from all over the world on the online marketplace built on blockchain technology. They are on a mission to bridge the gap by educating and sensitizing creators on the need to adopt the new wave of the moment. They believe a large percentage of NFT creators and buyers will quickly follow suit. Binance Smart Chain provides the necessary infrastructure to build a large-scale NFT platform like Art Deco. Their 100% community-owned platform will allow creators to reap more rewards both in the form of NFT applications as well as generous early Art Deco token rewards via their Art Deco Foundation. Future plans for the Art Deco platform include cross-chain swap for NFTs as well as Oracle and price discovery instruments to allow for LP mining with binded NFT tokens. Art Deco will allow NFT holders to bind NFTs to benefit from liquidity. In short, more liquidity, more capital for Art Deco NFT holders, faster ecosystem, lower fees, and support of the BSC ecosystem. The Art Deco project started in May 2021, inspired by Elon Musk's love for Art Deco. They are working on several partnerships with art creators and influential NFT artists who are interested in the NFT space and who share their vision. They will also be concluding an airdrop to incentivize early network growth. Now, let's talk about some of their features, which makes them apart from other platforms. The first one is built for digital creators. The Art Deco platform will bridge the gap between traditional art creators and blockchain technology. The second one is easy to use. Art Deco platform will be open and easy to use even for a newbie. The third one is optimized for scalability and transparency. Powered by their utility token, Art Deco built on the Binance Smart Chain, known for fast transaction speed and low fees. And the last one is friendly user interface. Platform designed with simplicity and security in mind to solve real use cases. Now talk about their tokenomics. Total supply of the token is 5 billion. The circulating supply is 500 million. And their public sale price is $0.0003. And finally, 10% increase on public sale price. The goal of Art Deco is to become the leading NFT minting DApp and marketplace on the BSC ecosystem. They believe by aligning incentive of the community, creators and token holders, they can grow a healthy and vibrant marketplace for NFTs to challenge the traditional dominance of art marketplace. Finally, what are you waiting for? Get ready and take this chance. Thank you.